This is how you can find the most recent date within a series of dates, especially if you have large data set. For example, let's say each employee has 4 sets of expiration date that are calculated based on factors such as date of hire, probation period, and date of departure. To determine the most recent date among these 4 dates, this is how you do it. First, you select all the dates in your data set like this. Then you go Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, and you're going to select New Rules like this. In here, you're going to select Use Formula and use this formula. And after that, click on Format. Make sure you're on a Field tab and select the color that you want to color with. I'm going to select red here and click OK and OK one more time. As you can see, in my data set with this new conditional formatting, is selecting the latest date. If you want to select the earliest date, you have to do reverse. Select all the dates again like this. Go Home, Style, Conditional Formatting. And after that, over here, now you're going to say Manage Rule. In here, you're going to double click on the rule that you recently added like that. And this should come up here. Here, all you have to do is change max to min like this. And click OK. And OK one more time. As you can see, now it's highlighting the earliest date for each employee.